Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP, ABAP tips 60. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can use search helps within ABAP and include it into a component within a database table. So here right now we are in the ABAP dictionary, so the transaction code SE11. And in one of the previous tips, I have shown you how you can change the maintenance view of a table. And in another video, I've shown you how you can create a maintenance view, create a transaction to this. So if we, for example, open up the maintenance view, so for this table, then we can see the maintenance view in here. So also if we display the table, that we can see some components in here, and I would like to show you how first of all create a search help and include the search help in an additional component, an additional field in this table. So therefore, first of all, within the ABAP dictionary, you have to select search help, and then in here you have to specify a name for the search help. Then we click on the create button and we choose for elementary search help. And here you put a small description. So for example, search help for purchase orders, because in this case, I would like to create a search help for the purchase orders, and therefore I enter the table echo. By the way, if you're using the search help, then you could also enter in here an existing view. So then in here in the dialog behavior, you have to specify how the values should be shown. So the dialog depends on a set of values, the dialog with value restriction, or to display values immediately. So this is what I would like to select. Then proposal search for input fields is really useful, that directly after entering some digits, some characters of the field for the search help, then you can directly see a list of the possible entries, and this is fine. If you want to, within here you could also enter a search help exit, that later on you can write some coding into this exit to enhance the search help. So then down here for the search help parameters, there you specify the fields that should be included into the search help, and basically you have two important types. You have the import parameter and you have the export parameter. The import parameters are the parameters available on the selection screen on the search help itself, and the export parameter is the parameter that you would like to export within this input field. So in this case, for example, let's just add a couple of fields like the purchase order number, like the company code, like the purchasing documents category, like the purchasing document type, and for example, if you want to, the creator of the purchasing number. Here, these are all importing parameters that I would like to include within the search help, and I just would like to export the purchase order number. Here basically you can specify the position of this field in the list, and here you can specify the position on the selection screen. So in both cases I really keep this quite simple and straightforward. In here, hitting the enter key and then saving it, I now link it to my $tmp package as a local object, and I would like to activate it. So this is fine. Here, if you want, you can also test your search help in here to see if it works as you expected. So, and this is all we need for the search help. So now let's include this into an additional component into here. So let's go into the change mode. For example, just PO for purchase order, and then putting the data type even for the purchase order. And then here under search help, here you can, for this field PO, enter now your created search help. So this is fine. Here you have to make sure to use the right parameters. So I don't want to propose based on the search help the company code. So that's why I remove this and click on copy, because the company code has an own search help. For example, if we go to import help checks, then here we can see that there's already another search help available. But yeah, depending on your setting, if you're selected for this search help also a company code, then you could also fill in both fields in here. Then let's activate the changes. So this is fine. And now let's quickly adapt also the maintenance view. So therefore I go to utilities, table maintenance generator, go to the change. I specify new fields. I would like to change this. This is fine. And now it's been recreated. If this is too fast, have a closer look on the linked videos. And then once again, let's call the maintenance view here. Now we can see that the additional field has been added in the maintenance view. And here we can see that now a search help is available with the mentioned 5 components. And for example, if I start typing any purchasing order document, then here you can see the proposal, and with double click or with just selecting it, you can take this over. And yeah, by said this, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video, and please be aware that there are still 40 great videos about ABAP tips and tricks available. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video.